Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. In today's video, we are going to be transcribing and sounding word examples for the consonant letter K. The consonant letter K gives the sound K, 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 as in kid, key, keg, kind, cake, kite, cane, king, keep, kingdom. So follow me as I open up the slashes now and sound the word and transcribe the words for sounding. Okay? Alright. I'm done with the slashes. I just want to make it fast. That's why I had to open all the slashes. This is Kate. I will ensure that my symbols are big enough for you to see. Kate. And this is key. And this one is keg. The same thing. And this is kind. And this is cake. And this is kite. And this one is king. My king. And this is king. King. And this one is key. And this is kingdom. Kingdom. Okay, let me close all the slashes. I will sew them together. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. The Lord bless you. Okay, this is kid, key, keg, kind, cake, kite, king, king, keep, kingdom. Let me go over it just once more. Kid, key, keg, kind, cake, kite, king, keep, kingdom. And you want to search out some words and transcribe. Remember, transcribing words is not meant for only students and pupils. It's good for everybody. It helps to boost our memories. Thank you so much. The Lord bless you.